In terms of measuring the age of your cells, what we've talked about so far have mainly been research methods that have not been commercially available. But there is another method that is available, and that's called critical telomere measurements. Telomeres are the tail end on your chromosome, and each time the chromosome divides, the telomere will get one repeat shorter, and it will go on getting shorter until it gets to a critical length of about 8.4 units. Once it gets to that critical length, it will then go into apoptosis. Apoptosis is cell suicide. So the cell is saying, I'm at a critical stage, I need to now shut myself down, and it will start to produce the enzymes that will break itself up, and it will send a signal out to the stem cell, and the stem cell will then make a replacement cell for that one that is then shutting down. So telomeres are very important in protecting our bodies, and they're also very useful in being able to tell us how far off we are from this critical length when we're going to shut the cell down. When you look inside a cell, there are many chromosomes, there are many telomeres, and they will be at different lengths. It only takes one at a critical length to shut the whole cell down. So it's not the average length that's important, it's the number of telomeres that are at that or close to that critical length. So this is why when we measure the number of critical telomeres you have, that we get some idea of how old you are, and it has been very well studied now so that we can tell from the work that's been done when we measure your telomere lengths how old you are and how sick you are. The importance of that is that we have also, that scientists have been able to demonstrate that when you make changes to your lifestyle, to your diet, to the illnesses that you have, and many other interventions, they've been able to track changes in your telomeres that reflect your improved health. So this is a fluorescent microscopic picture of a piece of breast tissue, and what you see here is that the pink areas are those areas where a fluorescent dye has attached to one repeat. So the more repeats you've got, the more it glows. So more pink, more telomeres. Less pink, shorter telomeres. And what you'll see in this one is that the cells on the inside of this duct are very blue with hardly any pink at all. And in fact, what that reflects is that this person has cancer. Whereas on the outside, where there's no cancer, the cells are still healthy and there's lots of pink there.